So let us see the question. Find the directional derivative find the directional derivative of f of xyz is equal f of xyz is equal xy cube plus yz cube xy cube plus yz cube at the point 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 1 in the direction of I bar plus 2z bar plus 2k bar. So directional derivative, so very important one. So directional derivative of the function, this is the function at the specific point and in the direction of this one, we need to calculate that. So first we need to write given f of xyz is equal, so immediately you need to find the del for this one, xy cube plus yz cube, and now you can find del f. So what about del f? Del is nothing but what? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. And f is nothing but, here it is what they give, xy cube plus yz cube. And now you can multiply this one inside of that, I into dou by dou x of, so xy cube plus yz cube plus j into dou by dou y of xy cube plus yz cube plus k into dou by dou z of xy cube plus yz cube. Nothing in that. So first you need to apply the derivatives for this, I into, so with respect to x we are applying partial derivative here. So y is a constant 1, y cube, and the derivative of x is 1, and here it is, there is no x term, completely constant, the derivative is 0, plus j into, here it is I am with respect to ym, so with respect to y means y cube derivative is 3y square, so 3xy square plus z cube plus k into, with respect to z we are applying, there is no z term in that, the derivative of this one is 0, and here it is z cube derivative is nothing but z3z square point. So the point del f at this point, del f at the point what they mentioned, 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1 1, it means x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 1. So in place of this one, if you substitute minus 1 whole cube into I plus 3xy square, so x is nothing but 2 and y square is nothing but minus 1 whole square plus z cube is nothing but 1 cube into j plus 3yz square. So 3 into y is nothing but minus 1 and z is nothing but 1 square into k. So z is equal, simply what will get, minus I, and next one plus, here it is having 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 1 is nothing but 7j, and next here it is having minus 3k. So this is del f at this point, and next direction they give, right? If you want, you can give the name for this one as let the direction be what they mentioned. So a bar is equal, I'm giving the name for this one as a bar, I plus 2j plus 2km. Now you need to find the unit normal vector for this one. So this is nothing but n bar is equal r e cap. So n bar, or simply write it as e bar, is equal to a bar by modulus of a bar. So magnitude of this one. A bar is nothing but I plus 2j plus 2k by square root of So magnitude of this one is nothing but I coefficient square plus j coefficient square plus k coefficient square. So this is equal simply what we got it, I plus 2j plus 2k by, so this is nothing but simply 2 square 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, square root of 9 is nothing but 3. So this is e bar. So therefore now you need to find the directional derivative, right? The directional derivative of f at point P. So P is nothing but here we are choosing as 2 minus 1 1 in the direction of a bar, in the direction of vector. So that vector we give simply a bar is del f at this point, del f at P dot e bar. So this is equal. So del f at that point, what we got it, minus I plus 7j minus 3k, right? Dot e bar is nothing but what we got it, I plus 2j plus 2k by 3m. So this is equal 1 by 3 into. So dot product we need to apply between these two vectors. When you're applying dot product, you need to remember that I dot I is equal j dot j is equal k dot k is equal to 1 and rest of all the cases that value become 0. It means what are the coefficients of I? So minus 1 into 1 plus j coefficients 7 into 2 plus minus 3 into 2. Minus 3 into 2. So this is equal 1 by 3 into simply what we got it, minus 1 plus 14 and this is nothing but minus 6. So this is nothing but simply we get it as 7 by 3. So this is the direction derivative of the function at the point in the direction of vector a bar is 7 by 3m. So this is the way you need to find the direction derivative. In that case, maybe they may change in place of direction as they can give unit tangent, they can may give, or direction ratios they may give, or in surface also they can make. Okay, so formula is same. There is no change in that, but they may change the directions. Okay, let us see next problem in this. Next one, find the directional derivative of xyz square plus xz at 111 in a direction of the normal to the surface 3xy square plus y is equal to z at 0 1 1 at 0 1 1. So if you observe clearly, what is the difference between previous problem and this problem? So there it is having find the direction derivative of the function they give and the point they give. In a direction, so on direction what they mention, normal to the surface. It means that you need normal vector, you need to find for this surface at this specific point. It means E bar you need to calculate, we should not get directly. Why? Because they didn't mention the vector. Here it is what they mentioned, scalar they give, you need to convert into vector by using the operator del, and then by using that you need to find the unit normal vector and remaining same as it is. Okay, first write on that one, let the given function first you need to take that, let f is equal, I'm giving the name for this one as xyz square plus xz, and immediately what you need to do, that you need to find a del f. So del f is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into fm. So f is nothing but here it is what we give the name for this one, So what about f in that? XYZ square plus XZ. Now you need to multiply this surface with each and every term. So I into dou by dou x of XYZ square plus XZ plus J dou by dou y of XYZ square plus XZ. And next K dou by dou Z of XYZ square plus XZ. Simply one thing here, it is derivatives you should be perfect, and the derivatives also very easiest one. Well, we applied till now only one formula, x power n, right? So I into dou by dou x of this one with respect to x means yz constants. So yz square as this, and the derivative of x is 1 plus x is derivative 1 and z is a constant as this plus j into dou by dou y of with respect to y means x and z are constants, so x z square, the derivative of y is 1 and here it is there is no y term, obviously the derivative of the term becomes 0. And next plus k into dou by dou z of this one, so with respect to z means xy constants and z square derivative is nothing but 2z plus here it is having with respect to z, so x is a constant and dou by dou z of z is 1 and now you need to find at this point, right? So del f at the point what they mentioned 1 1 1 up. It means we need to substitute in place of x as 1, y as 1 and z as 1. If you substitute in that, what we'll get? 1 plus 1, right? 2i plus here it is having x is 1, z is 1 that is nothing but simply we'll get j, and this is nothing but 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. This is del f at this point. Now we need to find the direction. We require the direction. So for that they are also mention surface. So for that, for this also you can give name for that one as let the surface be G is equal. So 3xy square plus y minus z. So this is the surface. We are taking this z into this side. It changes to minus. And immediately as usual del z you can calculate. So del z is nothing but I into dou by dou x of this total one, 3xy square plus y minus z. And next plus j into dou by dou y of 3xy square plus y minus z plus k into dou by dou z of 3xy square plus y minus z. And now, so del z is equal. So here it is having I into, so dou by dou x of this one with respect to x sum. So 6x y. Why? Because x square derivative is, this is xy square. Xy square. So for that simply what we'll get? So I into, so 3x as this, 3y square. Why? Because the derivative of x is 1 and there is no x coefficient in that, and plus j into, here it is with respect to ym. So with respect to y means y square derivative is 2y, already 3 is there, so 6xy plus 1 plus k into, so dou by dou z of this one with respect to z and m, here it is 0, this is 0 and here it is having minus 1. It means simply what we got it, del z is equal 3y square I, 3y square I, and next plus 6xy plus 1 into z, 6xy plus 1 into z, and next what we got it, k coefficient. So k coefficient there it is having minus k. So minus k. This is del gm. Okay, now we need to find at a point. So del g at point, which point they mentioned there it is in the problem, 0 1 1, right? 0 1 1 at this point. Here x is 0, y is 1 and z is 1. Simply substitute in place of x as 0 and y as 1. So if you substitute 1, here it is having 3i, and next x is 0, obviously this term becomes 0 plus j, and nothing to substitute here, this is as usual minus k. And now if you want, you can give the name for this one as nothing but let a bar is equal, the direction is nothing but here it is having 3i plus j minus k. and unit normal vector to the surface. So that is nothing but E bar is equal to A bar by modulus of A bar. So this is equal 3I plus J minus K by square root of, this is nothing but B square plus 1 plus minus 1 whole square. So including square root. So this is nothing but 3I plus J minus K by, so here what we'll get, 3 square is nothing but 9, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11. So this is root 11. So therefore the directional derivative of f at the point 1 1 1 in a direction of the normal to the surface, that surface what they mentioned, what we mentioned, z, right, at the point 0 1 1 is simply what we can write, del f at the point 1 1 1 dot E bar. So this is, so del f at the point what we got it, there it is having, here it is what we got it, 2I plus j plus 3k. So that is nothing but 2I plus j plus 3k dot A bar is nothing but what we got it, 3I plus j minus k by root 11. So this is equal to apply dot product now. So if you apply dot product, I coefficient 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1 plus k coefficients 3 into minus 1 by root 11. So this is nothing but simply what we got it, 2 into 3 is nothing but 6 plus 1 minus 3 by root 11. So this is nothing but 4 by root 11. So this is the direction derivative of f at a point P in the direction of the normal to the surface Z. Only see the difference between previous problem and this problem. Previous problem direction they mentioned directly vector, but here it is they gave surface. First we converted that surface into vector and then we proceed as usual like as first problem. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt regarding this? Next. Third one, find the directional derivative of f is equal x square minus y square plus 2z square at the point 1 2 3, at the point 1 2 3 in the direction of the line, in the direction of the line PQ, direction of the line PQ, where Q is the point 504. Also find the magnitude of the maximum direction derivative of the maximum directional derivative. See here it is having two questions they included. First one is nothing but find the directional derivative of f is equal to x square minus y square plus 2z square at the point 1, 2, 3 in the direction 1, 2 in the direction of the line PQ, where Q is equal, where Q is the point 5, 0, 4, and also find the magnitude of this maximum directional derivative. So two problems included in that. See here only the difference. First f as it is point asterism. So blindly first you need to calculate del f at this point. Here they mention the direction. So direction what they chosen? PQ line they chosen. So it means we need to find the PQ line. So line we need to find this P point as well as from Q point. Along with that, they find the maximum directional derivative of magnitude. So that is nothing but mod del f n. So mod del f is nothing but maximum directional derivative. Okay, and magnitude is nothing but simply you write modulus, and directional derivative is nothing but, so maximum directional derivative modulus you need to find. Okay, so here it is. First, let f is equal. We have to write as this. Let the given function f of x y z is equal to x square minus y square plus 2z square. And now, next, what is the next step? Del f we need to calculate. So del f is equal. So I into, I'm writing directly here, dou by dou x of, what about this? X square minus y square plus 2z square plus j into dou by dou y of x square minus y square plus 2z square plus k into dou by dou z of x square minus y square plus 2z square. So this is equal to I into, with respect to x we are applying partial derivative. It means simply what we get, 2x, and these two terms become 0, plus j into, so with respect to ym, so with respect to y is nothing but minus y square derivative is minus 2y plus k into dou by dou z of this one is nothing but 2 into 2z, that is nothing but 4z. Now we need to find del f at the point, right? So del f at point P is equal. So point P is nothing but, this is the point, right? So this is the point PM. So P is nothing but 1, 2, 3. It means in place of x as 1. So 2 into 1 into I minus 2 into y is nothing but 2 into z plus 4 into z is nothing but 3 into k. So simply what we got it here, 2i minus 4j plus 12k. This is del f. Next, immediately what we require the line PQM. So here it is, let P is equal, already they mentioned P is equal to what? 1, 2, 3m, and Q is nothing but, here it is having 5, 0, 4. We need to find the line PQM. So line PQ, how to get it in vectors? That is nothing but simply first you need to write it as vector notation. This is OP bar is equal, this is nothing but I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar. Next, OQ bar is equal, simply here it is having 5i plus 0j plus 4k. I require the line PQM, right? So right, very good. So PQ line is nothing but simply what we get it, OQ bar minus OP bar. OQ bar minus OP bar. So this is nothing but, from this we need to subtract them. So what is the high coefficient in OQ? 5, and here it is having minus 1 into I. And next there is no Z coefficient. Here it is having 0, and in OP that is minus 2 into Z bar. And next, k coefficients are nothing but 4 minus 3 into k. So this is equal, simply what we can get it, 5 minus 1 is nothing but 4i, and this is minus 2j and k. This is PQ bar. This is only the direction. If you want, you can give the name for this one as letter A bar is equal, so simply 4i minus 2j plus k. And immediately what you need to calculate, unit normal vector you need to find, that is E bar is equal A bar by modulus A bar. So this is equal, a bar is nothing but here it is having 4i minus 2j plus k by square root of, this is nothing but 4 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. So this is equal, simply what we get here, 4i minus 2j plus k by, so this is simply what we get it here, it is having 16 plus 4 plus 1. So this is nothing but simply what we get it, 4i minus 2j plus k by root 21. Root 21. Now you need to find the directional derivative, right? So the directional derivative of f, the directional derivative of f at p in the direction of, in the direction of the line PQ. In the direction of the line PQ is nothing but which chosen as a bar. Is what about that? A del f at P dot E bar. So here it is having del f at P, what we got it here, it is having 2i minus 4j plus 12k, right? 2i minus 4j plus 12k dot, this is nothing but 4i minus 2j plus km plus k by square root of 21. So this is equal, simply what we get it here, it is having, so 1 by root 21 into, now we need to apply dot product between these two, so 2 into 4, right? And next plus minus 4 into minus 2 plus k coefficient is 12 into 1, right? So this is equal 1 by root 21 into, so this is nothing but 2 4s are 8 and this is also 8 plus 12. So this is nothing but simply what we got it, 28 by root 21. 28 by root 21. So only directional derivative means it was completed them. But they mentioned find the magnitude of the maximum directional derivative. Okay. So once again I'm saying that very important problem. This is number of times they ask this one. They may change the points, but they may ask number of times this question. Okay. Why? Because we people have to remember this. Only this point, if you remember, simply you can do it. Only this is the difference between previous problems and this problem. Okay, that's why you people never remember that. That's why they ask number of times this is all. Okay. So here it is. Next second bit, what we need to write. So here it is having hence maximum of the directional derivative. Maximum of the directional derivative is nothing but what we got, magnitude of del f at Pm. Magnitude of this del f. So del f one day what we got it here, it is having, see here this one only, no, 2i minus 4j plus 12k. So for this magnitude we need to calculate. It means square root of 2 square plus minus 4 whole square plus 12 square. So this is equal, simply what we get it here, it is having 4 plus 16 plus 144. So this is nothing but square root of 164. So this is only the maximum directional derivative. So magnitude of the maximum directional derivative is nothing but how much we got it, square root of 164. Okay. Next question. Find the directional derivative of, find the directional derivative of, here if you observe one thing, so first function they never mention anything, they may mention as this, they mention the direction, in direction only they ask different ways. So phi is equal 5x square y minus 5y square z plus 2.5 z square x, 2.5 z square x at the point at the point P111 111 in the direction of the line, in the direction of the line, in the direction of the line x minus 1 by 2 y minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to 0. See, here also what they mentioned, they changed the direction. So direction only they may ask in different ways. Okay. So first part as usual, they're finding phi, del f and everything point, everything is same. Only direction finding only different one. And last formula also same, right? So here it is first given that what they mentioned phi. So given that phi is equal. So here it is having 5x square y minus 5y square z plus 2.5 z square x. 2.5 z square x. Now we need to find del phi, right? Del phi is nothing but simply what we can write, I into dou phi by dou x plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z. So z is equal. So I into, so dou phi by dou x means with respect to x sum. So x square. So x square derivative is 2x. Already there it is having 5. So that's why 10xy. And here again x coefficient is there. So for that plus 2.5 z square into I plus j into dou phi by dou y with respect to y means here it is having 5x square and next minus 10yz plus k into, so here it is having with respect to zm, there is no z coefficient in that, and coming to this minus 5y square minus 5y square plus z square derivative of 2z, 2.5 into 2 is nothing but 5, right? 5zx into k. So this is del phi. And now you need to find the point here. So here it is having del phi at the point, what is that? 111. So here it is, in place of x, you need to substitute 1, in place of y as 1 and z as 1. Here what you get, 10 plus 2.5, that is nothing but 12.5. 12.5 into I. And next this is 5 minus 10m minus 5 minus 5z plus km. So here it is having, so minus 5 plus 5. So that is nothing but obviously 0. So this is del phi at this point. Now we require the direction, right? So the direction of this one given what they mention, x minus 1 by 2 is equal y minus 3 by minus 2 is equal, this is nothing but z. So if you see that this is in the form of directional ratios of the DRs, in intermediate people got it. So here it is having 0 by 1. So simply we can write this one. And now from this you need to take the vector is nothing but this is the point 1 3 0, this is the point, and this is nothing but vector I coefficient, j coefficient and k coefficient. So that is nothing but simply we can write here it is having, let a bar is equal, a bar is equal, so this is I coefficient is 2 and j coefficient is minus 2 and k coefficient is nothing but k. Suppose here it is having x, y, z, another variable, then we'll take the point and we'll substitute, but not require the point here. No. So magnitude of this one is nothing but a bar is equal square root of 2 square minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. So z is equal, simply what we'll get, 4 plus 1. So simply here it is having 9, that is nothing but 3. And now you can find the E bar. So E bar is equal A bar by modulus A bar. So this is equal to A bar is nothing but 2I minus 2J plus K bar by Here it is having magnitude how much we got it 3m. So therefore the directional derivative. So del f at p at the point 111 or 111 dot e bar is equal simply what we can get it. So here it is we got it as 12.5 into I minus 5z minus 5z dot e bar is nothing but 2I minus 2z plus k bar by 3m. So here it is having 3, we can write outside 1 by 3 into. Now you can apply dot product between these two vectors, 12.5 into 2. 12.5 into 2 and next plus minus 5 into minus 2 and there is no k coefficient. So for that 0 there it is and here it is having 1. So this is equal simply what we got it. Here it is having 1 by 3 into. So this is nothing but simply we get it as 25 and this is plus 10. So this is equal 35 by 3. This is. So this is directional derivative of this point in the direction of the line x minus 1 by 2, y minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to zm. Okay. So this is one of the problem. Next problem. Find the directional derivative of the directional derivative of del dot del phi. Del dot del phi at the point 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2 1 in the direction of the normal to the surface x y square z is equal to 3x plus z square at the point. They never mention the point. Here it is having where phi is equal to 3x plus z square, where phi is equal to 2x cube y square z power 4. 2x cube y square z power 4. So what's the difference between previous problems and this problem? So till now what we solve the problems, there it is. First they give directly function they give, but here it is what they mentioned, del dot del phi. So this is the function we have to choose. So this is only the difference. And next this is another surface, we can calculate it, no problem. Okay. The difference is for previous problems and this problem is here it is del dot del phi. So first we need to calculate this one and then for this we need to find again del phi and then we need to calculate. Okay. So first we can give the name for this one as nothing but first given that. So phi they give. What is that phi? Given that phi is equal to 2x cube y square z power 4. And next del phi calculation. So what about del phi? Here it is. So del phi is nothing but I into dou by dou x of phi m. So with respect to x is nothing but what we'll get 6x square y square z power 4, right? Plus j into with respect to y, that is 4x cube y z power 4, and with respect to zm, so with respect to z is nothing but 8x cube y square z cube. This is del phi, but what I require del dot del phi. So for that I am giving that name as let f is equal to del dot del phi. Okay, del dot del phi. So it means what we are applying, dot product we are applying. So del is nothing but what? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, right? Plus k dou by dou z dot del phi m. So already we got it del phi. What about del phi? This total one, right? So this total one, what we got it, that one we need to write here. It means 6 x square y square z power 4 I plus 4 x cube y z power 4 z plus 8 x cube y square z cube k. Now dot product we need to apply between these two vectors. So dot product is nothing but, so I dot I is equal to 1. It means dou by dou x of 6x square y square z power 4 plus dou by dou y of, this is again 4 x cube y z power 4 z coefficient, and next k coefficient term dou by dou z of 8 x cube y square z cube. Now again this one with respect to x we need to apply derivative. It means what we'll get, 12x y square z power 4 plus with respect to y means 4x cube z power 4 plus with respect to zm 24 8 3s are x cube y square z square. So this is f0. So this is only new thing in that, and remaining same as it is. Now we got it f. By taking this f, first you need to find del f at this point, and next del g. G you can choose this one, and del g at this point, and find the direction derivative. Only this part is the new part and comparing to previous problems. Okay. Now again, first what we need to do that, del f we need to calculate. Okay, so del f is nothing but I into dou by dou x of this one. So dou by dou x of this one is nothing but what we'll get, 12 y square z power 4 plus here also x term. So that is 12 x square z power 4 plus again here it is having x cube. So 24 into 3. So that is nothing but 12 72 72 x square y square z square, 72 x square y square z square. This is I coefficient. Next, what about j? With respect to y we need to apply with respect to y and m. So what we'll get, 24 x y z power 4, and next there is no y coefficient, this is 0. And coming to this is nothing but 48 x cube y z square. This is j coefficient. And now coming to k coefficient. So k coefficient is here it is having. So with respect to z. So with respect to z means what we'll get, 48 x y square z cube. And next here it is having 16 x cube z cube. Next here it is having 24 into 2, 48 x cube y square z. So this is del f. Now what you need to calculate? You need to calculate del f at the point. So what is that point? At 1 minus 2 1. So this point you need to calculate it now. Okay. So del f at 1 minus 2 1. Okay. Now if you simplify this one, so here it is having, we'll get it as 348i after substituting all the points. In place of x as 1, y as minus 2, and z as 1. If you substitute that, we'll get it as 348i minus 144j plus 400k. Throughout this one, you need to substitute in place of x as 1, y as minus 2, and z as 1. Then you get this vector. And now first part completed. Coming to second part. Now what we need to choose? Let z is equal another surface they give, right? Let z is equal x y squared z minus 3x minus z square. Now you need to find del g, right? So del g is equal I into dou by dou x of this total one. So y squared z minus 3 minus plus j into with respect to y means 2xyz and there is no y coefficient, this is only the term, plus k into dou by dou z of this one xy square minus 2z. So this is del g. And now at this point we need to calculate, right? So at this point is nothing but del g at the point same. If they don't mention anything, the point, same point we have to choose. If you take it in that, in place of x as 1, y as minus 2, and z as 1. So this is nothing but simply we'll get it as I 4 minus 3. Next here it is having minus 4z. And next here it is xy square is nothing but 4 and this is minus 2. So plus 2. So plus 2k. Plus 2k. So this is del z at this point. So now you can find the directional derivative, right? The directional derivative of f, right? F at the point, suppose P in the direction of the normal to the surface G is del F at point that one dot E bar. So E bar is nothing but, now we'll calculate. So del F is nothing but, here it is having 348I minus 144J plus 400K dot E bar is nothing but I bar minus 4J bar plus 2K bar by magnitude of this one is nothing but square root of 1 square plus minus 4 whole square plus 2 square, right? So now you can multiply the terms and then simply we'll get it as this is nothing but by multiplying 348 into 1 and minus 144 into minus 4 and 400 into 2 ohm. So simply we'll get it as 1724 by, so this is nothing but square root of 16 plus 4 20 plus 1 21. So this is the final answer. Okay. So let us see the question. Find the directional derivative of the function xy square plus yz square plus zx square along the tangent to the curve x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to tq. At the point 1 1 1. At the point 1 1 1. And this is also one of the different one. Same as it is here, direction they change. Okay. So first we can give the name for that one as the given surface f is equal xy square plus yz square plus zx square. Now, so first we can find del f. So del f is nothing but I into dou by dou x of this total one. With respect to x means here it is having y square and 2xz plus j into with respect to y. So 2xy plus z square. And then with respect to z means this is constant 0 and here it is having 2yz plus x square. This is nothing but del f and the point we require. So what is the point? Del f at point is nothing but here it is having 1 1 1. So which is equal, so simply if you substitute that 3i plus 3j plus 3k. So first part completed. Now here it is tangent to the curve. So here it is a parametric form they give. So for that we need to find tangent of this one. Tangent to the curve is nothing but you need to calculate as dr bar by dtm. So this is the tangent to the curve at that point. And now first what we require, r bar we require. So what is meant by r bar generally? We are taking position vector that is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk. Xi plus yj plus zk. And now, so what we require, r bar is nothing but, so already they give x is nothing but what, pi plus t square j plus z is nothing but t cube k. T cube km. And now what we require, dr bar by dt. So it means we need to apply derivative this one with respect to tm. Then what we'll get? So t derivative is 1 plus t square derivative 2t plus t cube derivative is nothing but 3t square. 3t square km. And now we need to require the point 1 1 1. So here it is having what we'll get, if x is equal to 1, obviously t is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, z is equal to 1, and t is also 1, right? At 1 1 1, at 1 1 1, t is equal to what, 1. So x is equal to t, so x is equal to 1 here it is having, so that is nothing but tm. And y is equal to 1, so this is nothing but t square. And z is equal to 1, so z is equal nothing but t cube, so obviously t is equal 1. Now you substitute dr bar by dt at t is equal to 1, at t is equal to 1. So if you substitute in that, what we'll get, I plus 2j plus 3k. Now therefore here it is having, if you want you can give name for this one as nothing but a bar, direction. And now you can find the normal vector, unit normal vector, a bar by modulus of a bar. This is nothing but I bar plus 2j bar plus 3k bar by the square root of magnitude of this one, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So this is nothing but simply what we got it here, I plus 2j plus 3k by square root of, this is nothing but what we got it, 9 plus 10, and this is 12. This is E bar. So therefore the directional derivative del f at 111 at 111 dot E bar. So here it is what we got it, 3i plus 3j plus 3k dot E bar. So E bar is nothing but, so this is 14. This is not. So dot E bar is nothing but I plus 2j plus 3k by root 40. You can apply dot product here it is having. So dot product is nothing but I dot I 3 into 1 and j coefficients 3 into 2 and coefficients 3 into 3 by square root of 40. So this is nothing but 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 by square root of 40. So this is directional derivative of this one. Okay. And next, just to see the question and you only solve that. So this is nothing but in what direction, in what direction from the point, in what direction from the point minus 1 1 2, minus 1 1 2 is the directional derivative of phi is equal to xy square z cube, a maximum, a maximum. And along with that, and one more question already, of course, this is already we saw that. What is the magnitude of this maximum? What is the magnitude of this maximum? Maximum. So this is nothing but, so here it is having in what direction from this point. So is the directional derivative. So direction they're asking to calculate for this. And along with that, we need to find the magnitude of this one. Okay. So here it is having, first you need to take phi. So phi is term. So phi is equal to xy square z cube. And simple one thing, what are the problem? First we need to find del only. So del phi is equal. So I into what we'll get? Y square z cube, right? And next j into 2xy z cube plus k into with respect to zm. So this is 3xy square z square. And along the point they mentioned del phi at the point -1, 1, 2. So if you substitute in that, simply what we'll get here, it is having 8i minus 16j minus 12k. That's it. So this is only the directional. Okay. And magnitude of this direction is nothing but just you need to find modulus del phi. So modulus del phi you need to calculate. So that is nothing but square root of 64 plus 256 plus 144. So this is equal to square root of 464. That's it. Okay. So these are the different problems on directional derivative. Okay.